Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name's Ed, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install Microsoft Teams. Now, you're going to find that Microsoft Teams is a little bit different than a lot of apps, and you'll see why here in just a minute. As you go to install it, it's not your traditional installer. So, the first thing we're going to do is copy the link from the description below, paste it in whatever browser you're using. Once it's open, go ahead and click download now, and then download Microsoft Teams for Windows right over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just run it. Now, you're going to notice that this is not going to give a whole lot of opportunity for you to do anything until it's actually installed. So you'll see this pop up, and then at some point it will disappear, and the install is technically already done. So now what you'll have to do is come down here and click right here, and you probably will see Teams in the list, or you can just type in Teams and click on it, and it's going to run. Once it's installed, it's going to ask you about your camera and your microphone. So the options are yes or no, so that's up to you, but that's pretty much it, my friends. If this helps you at all, please consider hitting like and subscribe. And also, if you are interested in learning how to uninstall it, because that's not quite the same either, the link will be in the description. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great night.